Want to change the email address associated with your TikTok account, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on TikTok. Now let's get started. To change your email address on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. Then select Account Information. Tap Email. In the pop-up, select Change Email. Enter the new email address you want to link to your TikTok account. Then tap Continue. You'll be sent a verification code to the new email address you've provided. Find the code in your inbox, then enter the code in the TikTok app. Once you've verified your new email address will be updated on your TikTok account. That's all it takes to change your email address on TikTok. Want to change your name on your TikTok profile? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.